Page 146. This is number 1 at the top of the page. Now, this page and the next, they give you some reading exercise to read the notes. And you can look at it and kind of see what's going on. This first one, you got these chords in the right hand going on, and they're not root position, they're the inversion. So you got like first inversion. Looks like they're all first inversion, pretty much. Gives you practices of playing first inversion. So again, I go through the process. Even if I'm just going to sight read it or whatever, I still go through the process. I can just kind of do it quickly. It's 2 lines long, treble bass clef, key of C major, 4/4 time, okay. And then I've got these chords in the right hand and the left hand doing its thing. Now, again, the technique on playing these, because you're in the same hand position in the right hand, you're just moving it around, is I just leave my hand in that position. I aim one finger. And I'm using the wrist on this. If you don't use the wrist on this, you'll tense up because you want to hold that position. No, stay relaxed. And if you can do this, it'll help doing that. Don't go as fast as I'm going. I've been doing it for a million years. It's all right. Just first notes here, then forget the rhythm. Let's just do the notes. Here, here, here. And I'm going way up right now just for the exercise. The actual movement's a very little one. But I'm holding the arm still. You can't see it, but I am. Trust me, I am. And that's all we're doing. The left hand, you just stretch out. Now this left hand, for the most part, is here, but sometimes you're reaching out. This octave feel is an important feel in piano. Eventually you'll get to where you know the octave, you can just feel it. You don't even have to look at the keyboard. You just reach out and you know you've got it. Eventually. But right now you're going to do that. And I'm kind of anchoring the thumb here for now because I'm going back and forth here. But then in the last 2 measures I change here, then I can collapse because I went here. So now I went from here to here. So we figure out these hand movements. We kind of crawl around a little bit, okay? And then but again, which finger you aim is up to you. I usually do the melody, but you should be able to do all 3, and it's good practice to practice each one. So I could aim the little finger. And if I hold my hand in that position, the other finger should behave. I'm only thinking about the little finger. Or do the middle finger. Here. Or the thumb. Do them out. I'm just thinking about one finger. I'm not thinking about all these stuff. And I'm flexing the wrist, stays loose, and I'm just holding that hand in the position and going along with one finger. So I'm thinking about one finger in each hand here, really. Which finger in the right hand? I'm guessing the top finger is the melody, so that's the little finger here. So forth. The dynamics, it starts out moderately loud and goes up to loud, the second line. Again, there's not much difference between the 2, so don't get loud to measure 5 though. So you're sort of loud, and it's going to be right hand here. Yeah. Left hand can just stay out of the way. Keep the right hand out, the left hand out of the way. The speed again is like a march. All a march, or however you want to pronounce it, it's in the manner of a march. Left, right, left, right. And we're talking half notes on this, not quarter notes. Left, right, left, right. However, it's got to be accurate, so don't go faster than accurate. Not all teachers believe that, but I'm a firm believer. Let's be accurate first. And as time goes on and you get better with piano, your speed limit, and everybody's got a speed limit, it'll get better. It'll get faster. Yeah. So if your speed limit is this, close enough. At least it's accurate. Let's play this together slowly and check the notes and the rhythms. I'll give us 4 counts. Not going to do the louds and softs, we're just playing it. Now this is after you can play it with no hesitations. Okay, let's check the notes and the rhythms. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2.